The top Screaming Senegal Parrot T-Shirt is a unique and fun addition to any bird lover in number 8217's wardrobe. This shirt is designed with a playful and bold print of a Senegal parrot, known for its vibrant feathers and a loud, attention-grabbing call. The image on the shirt perfectly captures the spirited nature of this bird, making it a great conversation starter. The striking design appeals to those who appreciate wildlife, especially bird enthusiasts, and those who enjoy a touch of humor in their fashion. This T-shirt is made from 100% cotton, ensuring that it's not only comfortable to wear but also breathable and soft to the touch. The high-quality cotton fabric provides a snug fit while allowing flexibility in movement. Whether you in number 8217 re-wearing it casually on a sunny day or layering it with a jacket during cooler months, the cotton material ensures that you stay comfortable all day long. Plus, the fabric is durable and can withstand regular wear without losing its shape or vibrant print, making it a long-lasting piece in your wardrobe. Top Screaming Senegal Parrot T-Shirt. Tank top, V-neck, ladies tee for men and women. Rock your